Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Analytics 4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about events in GA4. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are in the official documentation of Google Analytics, where we'll try to learn more about events. Okay. An event allows you to measure a specific interaction or occurrence on your website or app. For example, you can use an event to measure when someone loads a page, clicks a link, or completes a purchase, or to measure system behavior, such as when an app crashes or an impression is served. So we have four types of events in Google Analytics 4. The following types of events are collected automatically. So these tools are collected automatically. You can see over here, automatically collected events, enhanced measurement events. So automatic collected events are events that are collected by default when you set up Google Analytics on your website or app. And enhanced measurement events are events that are collected when you set up Google Analytics on your website or app, and enhanced measurement is enabled. And those two events, called recommended events and custom events, you must implement the following types of events in order to see them in analytics. So if I click on this link, then we'll get to know more about automatically collected events. Okay, you can see over here, automatically collected events are triggered by basic interaction with your app. As long as you use the Google Analytics for Firebase SDK or gtag.js, you don't need to write any additional code to collect these events. Okay, so you can see those are the automatically collected events. So you can see over here, add underscore click, add underscore exposure, add underscore impression, add query, add reward. Okay, so those are the automatically collected events for app. And if I scroll down a little bit, then you can see click. So this is for website. So I'll share this doc file with you so that you can learn more and get to know more events, more automatically collected events. Okay. And the next one is enhanced measurement events. So if I click on this link, then we can see over here, enhanced measurement lets you measure interaction with your content by enabling options in the Google Analytics interface. No code changes are required. When you enable these options for a web data stream, your Google Analytics tag starts sending events right away. Before turning on the enhanced measurement feature, be sure you understand each option and what enhanced data will be collected. You can also turn off specific measurement options in the setting. So you can see enhanced measurement events are page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, site search, video engagement, file downloads, and form interactions. Okay. So I'll also provide this doc file in the video description so that you can study further about enhanced measurement event. Okay. Let's come to the next event, which is recommended event. So if I click on this link, then we'll see adding these events to your website or mobile app helps you measure additional features and behavior, as well as generate more useful reports, because these events require additional context. To be meaningful, they are not sent automatically. Use the link in the article to see the prescribed parameters for each event. You should send recommended events with their prescribed parameters to get the most detail in your reports and to benefit from future features and integrations as they become available. Okay. To learn how to set up a recommended event on your website, see setup events. For app project, see log events. Okay. So you can see for all properties, those are the recommended events like add impression, earn virtual currencies, and group, login, purchase, refund, search, select content, share, sign up, spend virtual currency, tutorial begin, tutorial complete. So for online sales, those are the recommended events like add payment, add to cart, begin checkout, purchase, etc. And for games, you can see over here, those are the recommended events. Okay, so I'll also share this doc file in the video description so that you can learn more about all the recommended events are described here. Okay, and let's come to the last one, which is custom event. So if I click on this link, then we can see over here, a custom event is an event whose name and parameters you define. A custom event lets you collect data that analytics doesn't otherwise collect automatically or recommend. Before you create a custom event, check to make sure that the event you want to create is not already automatically collected. An enhanced measurement event or a recommended event. It's always better to use an event that Google Analytics already recognizes, because these events automatically populate the default dimensions and metrics and update standard reports. Make sure the name of the custom event is not a reserved name. Review the event collects limits. Okay, so you can set up custom events using Google Tag for web, Google Tag Manager for web, and Firebase for apps. Okay, so I'll also share this doc file with you so that you can learn more about custom events. Okay, so hopefully you have understood what are the events in Google Analytics. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you like our video, you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.